Welcome to Manage Your Picklist Values. In this unit, we'll dive into the intricacies of handling picklist values in Salesforce. By the end of this session, you'll be a pro at managing and customizing your picklists. Let's explore the key objectives for this unit. By the time we're done, you'll know how to manage picklist values, use formulas to define dynamic values, and understand the impact of changes on existing data. Managing picklist values is a crucial skill. You can perform several actions to keep your picklists organized. You can create new values, reorder existing ones, replace values, view a printable list, and even customize chart colors for a visually appealing representation. Now, let's talk about the states of picklist values: active, inactive, deleted, and replaced. Active values are visible options in a picklist, while inactive ones are not, but they're not entirely removed. You can reactivate inactive values, making them a flexible alternative to deletion. When deleting or replacing values, consider the impact on existing records. If replaced with a blank value, existing records won't display the value anymore. And remember, when replacing a parent value in a controlling picklist, recreate the dependency using the new parent value. Editing picklist values is straightforward but comes with critical considerations. You can change the label, modify the API name, which is vital for references, set a default value, and customize the chart color for reporting. Don't overlook the API name. It's a powerful identifier even when the label changes. It ensures stable references in formulas and programming. As discussed in the previous unit, controlling fields and dependent picklists play a crucial role in narrowing down available values. Custom picklist fields can be controlling or dependent, while standard picklist fields can only be controlling. Multi-select picklist fields can be dependent but not controlling. Now let's elevate our game. How about setting dynamic default values using formulas? Formulas let you assign default values based on conditions and other field values. This speeds up data entry and ensures accuracy. You've just mastered the art of managing picklist values in Salesforce. In our next unit, we'll explore advanced topics, including formulas and conditional logic for picklists. In Setup, click the Object Manager tab and select the object containing the picklist field. Click Fields and Relationships. Click New. Select Picklist and then click Next. Enter a field label. Keep the default values option. Use a global value set, and then choose the global picklist you want to use from the picklist. Select other field settings as needed and click Next. Set field level security for the picklist field and then click Next. Choose the page layouts to include the picklist field, then click Save. We use a global picklist value set for this picklist. Navigate to the Setup icon and click the Setup button to load the setup page. Next, click on Object Manager and select Account. In the left sidebar of the account page, click on Fields and Relationships. Then click on the Field Dependencies button. In the Account Field Dependencies section, click New. Choose the controlling field and dependent field you want to assign, then Continue. Select your desired dependent field, included values for the controlling field, chose one by one and depended value for each fields. And click Save. The dependent pick list is now ready. From Setup, click Setup again. Select Object Manager. Choose an object. For now, I am choosing Account Object. Click on Field and Relationship. Choose a picklist value. Click on the Edit button. In the General Options, put a formula based on your picklist values. Modify your formula as per your value set. Then click Save. Your custom formula for default is set. Go to Account. In the Account left sidebar, click on Fields and Relationships, then quick find for the field you want to change that has a data type as picklist. Click on the field label, click Edit button, then click Change Field Type button and change the data type to picklist. Multi-select. Press OK, and then OK to change the data type. Click Next. Next. Adjust multi-select picklist visible lines. Then click Next. And save it. Now your field data type has been changed from picklist to picklist, multi-select. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or want to explore this topic further, please feel free to reach out. Have a fantastic day.